almost mixing around with the different Bayer and Boyds. They share their different ideas and give me some thoughts that I should implement in my project too. And I gained a lot of friends and it was a fun day with them.
The most often mentioned thing was planning. So to me, I think I learned a lot of planning, how to plan and how to go about doing my project.
Well, I find that the trip down to Newater is the most interesting because it actually shows us a lot of technology that they use, all the microfiber to actually kill all the germs and actually produce a new water.
The most green aspect that I most appreciate in Singapore is the new water system that is being implemented at Bedok. I'm very proud of that, and I hope that Singapore continue to be more environmental conscious, to build more green energy buildings and type of like solar power and stuff.
There are many devastating consequences of global warming that is happening now and in the future. So I believe that everybody has to play a part in helping it by saving water, prevent any deforestation to occur.
I think the discussion session is the most interesting part, especially the one about virtual water. The virtual water let us know about all those products that we're using now is made out of water, and water is very precious to us.
Having attended the camp, when I turn on the tap now, I appreciate how clean our water is and how fortunate we are to get access to water conveniently in Singapore today. This shows our nation's effort in developing a self-sustainable national tap. Nevertheless, let's not stop here and strive for a better future.